Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia Nachivule. In today's video, we are going to learn how to crochet mesh skirt. You can use it also as a beach wear. It is easy to crochet. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and tap on the notification bell. You will be notified whenever I upload a video. Let us start. These are the materials I'm going to use. I'm going to use this yarn. It's 100% cotton. It is 50 grams. Hook I'm going to use 3.0 mm. A darning needle, it is option. Pair of scissors and a measuring tape. I'm going to use 2 strands because it is small. This strand is very small. I'm going to use 2 strands. For foundation chain, it is going to be a multiple 5. Multiple 5 means the number which is divided by 5 and remain with 0. Let us start with a slip knot. For the length, we are going to consider the hip measurement. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My hip measurement is 40 inches. We are going to crochet until we have 40 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we are going to join the chain from where we started. Make sure you straighten it properly. Then we are going to slip stitch from where we started. Slip stitch from here where we started. We are going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are going to count 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the first stitch, we are going to put to make 1 double crochet. Again, the next chain we are going to make 1 double crochet. We are going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are going to count 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the first chain, we are going to put 1 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 double crochet. In the next chain, 1 double crochet. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to count 4 chains. In the fourth chain, we are going to put 1 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 double crochet. In the next chain, 1 double crochet. And we are going to continue with this until here where we started. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip 3 chains. In the first chain, 1 double crochet. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. In the first chain we are going to put 1 double crochet, and in the fifth chain 1 double crochet. And we are going to continue with this until we come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In the first chain make 1 double crochet, in the fifth chain 1 double crochet. We remain with 5 chains, but we are not going to slip stitch. We are going to put 2 double crochet in the middle of this chain 7. And then we'll continue with our pattern chain 7, then 2 double crochet in the middle of chain 7 space, chain 7, 2 double crochet in the middle of chain 7 space, then chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 double crochets in the middle of chain 7 space. And we are going to continue with this pattern until we have the length we want of our skirt. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 double crochets in the middle of chain, and we are going to continue with this pattern until we have the desired length of the skirt. Then I will come back and show you what next. Length of the skirt. Next we are going to crochet the finishing. On this chain 7 space we are going to make 10 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we continue with 2 double crochets, then you continue with 2 double crochets on these double crochets. We are going to continue with this until here where we started. 10 double crochet in the chain 7 space, and then 2 double crochet and double crochet. This is where we started. We are going to slip stitch. We are going to chain 1 and cut off the yarn. We pull it through. Next, we are going to start on the waist ribbing. We are going to attach the yarn where we started. Start with a slip knot. We are going to attach it here. I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, we are going to continue with this chain 3. It is our first double crochet. We are going to continue with double crochet. In each stitch, we continue with double crochet until here we are starting. We are going to continue with double crochet until we come back here. This is the last stitch. This is the last stitch. Next, we are going to slip stitch on this chain 3 where I started, like this. We are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We are going to work on the front post and the back post. The front post we yarn over. We pass the hook like this. This is the front post. Next, we are going to do back post. We pass the hook at the back like this. This is the back post. We are going to be alternating between front post and back post. Front post, then back post. We are going to be alternating between front post and back post. Double crochet, front post, double crochet, then back post, double crochet. And we are going to continue with this until we have 4 rows. That is going to be our waist ribbing. Front post, double crochet, front post, double crochet, back post, double crochet. Alternate between front post and back post, double crochet. This is the last row. to slip stitch here where we started. Next we are going to slip stitch here where we started, like this. We are going to chain one and cut off the end. I made 4 rows of the ribbon. Now our skirt is done. Thank you for watching.